Welcome to the last video of 2025. It's Monday 22nd of December. We've just been doing a good session all over the garden and we've left the lawn till last. So what I want to do is today I just want to give it a slight vertical or a verify. I think I'm going to use because I want that grabbing of the scarifying attachment, but then I just want to put some air channels through as well, so that's a great tool for that. And we'll see how good we can get it looking. I fed it a couple of weeks ago with some autumn punch, so that's kicked in now and it's looking nice and green. And I also put the liquids on the week before and I think it's looking absolutely fantastic for this time of year. So let's get it verified and cylinder cut and then we can see how it looks going into Christmas. Okay, so we're ready to go. Verifying cartridge in. I've set it at 0 on the right hand side, which is your cartridge side. When I say cartridge, I mean like your verticutters, your brushes, your scarifying and that, and the cartridge for the cut-in is on the left. And always remember, when you're putting your cartridge for the mower back in, you're still in the cartridge to raise your height up. Otherwise, you're going to scalp your lawn. So for those of you who are new to the channel, this is a dwarf ryegrass lawn. And it's looking really good this year. We are dispelling the myth that ryegrass doesn't do well in shade or in winter, because look at this behind me, it looks absolutely great. So let's crack on. So looking really nice, even in this area which gets no sun really whatsoever. Get it across there like that up there, but this down here doesn't see any. Got a little bit of water where the water gathers down there, bit of damage, but this year really pleased with how it's looking. A lot of worm cast damage, been worse than ever this year everywhere. So I don't know how you've been getting on. Have you seen an increase this year? Maybe because of the dry summer, they've been more active in the autumn. But been like doing some maintenance, like I said before, getting all the leaves out from under the hedge, weeding the border, and I'll show you a bit more after when we're around the back what we've been up to. But everything's looking really nice. So what I'll do is now get the cylinder blades back in the machine and give it a cylinder cut, and then that will wrap up 2025. We've got to do around the back yet, so there's a bit more to go, but let's just see what we've pulled out. See all these like bits and pieces that you can't even see that are in the lawn. So you get all this necrotic growth coming out and all this kind of stuff. So if you can, get on with it. Alright, so that's the cylinder cut done. I'm happy with that for this late in December. They're very patchy up close, I'll show you. I don't shy away from anything. Here's what it is, you can't neglect the rest of the lawn, but where we've not got many worms, it's just like really good coverage. And then obviously we step into the areas where the worm casts are. But you can't neglect the rest of the lawn just to not do these. It is what it is. We will be here again next year and we'll get it back to how it was, but it won't be as big a job because we're on top of it. But yeah, if it could look like this all over, I'd be really pleased. So we're just round the back now, similar situation, bit of worm cast damage, very wet as well in the corner, so I'll be avoiding that, but everywhere else is fine because it's Premier League drainage in the back. Over in that corner, I don't know what's happened in there, but gets wet through and floods. But hopefully we'll be doing some proper work here next year. Maybe take it up as we said last year, and if I can keep fit back wise in terms of my bad back, we can maybe crack on. Because it's been 9 years old next year, so it's due an upgrade. So we'll see. So anyway, I've got this verifying cartridge in. We'll do the same as we did around the front. Alright, so let's have a look at the back. Pretty similar, lots of bits and pieces that you wouldn't necessarily see, but definitely more necrotic, slimy grass. And that's just because it's like 6-7 years older. So there's a lot more fibrous kind of thatch on that lower surface. And that's what we're scraping out, which is good because it means if there's any warmer weather in January, we're cutting down that chance of disease. Alright, so that's the mowing done. I think it looks alright for December, considering we had a lot of rain yesterday as well. So onwards and upwards into next year. And if we don't dig it up, then we'll just continue with this and get it looking like we do. But I would like to, just because I want to reset all the levels, because like the wood, because they've had this path here put in like a few years ago, it's not quite flush with the lawn, so that piece of wood over there along the edge is out, not the sleeper, there's a bit below it, so that needs raising up. And then that edge in front of those grasses there, that just needs lifting up so it's level with the path as well. And it's a good 2 inches above the patio now, so I can't slide off and cut. The plan was to put flag all the way around, but I think I could just do with moving that wood up or moving it out and creating a bigger gravel area and make that corner a bit shorter as well, in terms of take more grass off and make the gravel bed bigger, because it's struggles in there now. The hedge is full. When we first put the hedge in, it would still let a bit of light through, but now it doesn't. It causes problems. So yeah, so not looking bad for December. So I'm just going on with a recovery spray of Winter Magic, Stella, Refine, Winter Shield and Orbit, and I've thrown in a bit of Grace as well. I think the front's looking better than the back, surprisingly, because the back gets more sun. Okay, so that is the Verify Cut and Recovery Spray done. Definitely the last video of 2025. Time for me now to have a couple of weeks back and build up some energy ready to go again in 2026. So thanks for your support this year, and we'll see you next year on Daniel Hibbert Lawn Expert. Bye for now.